partnership between the, it's a tripartite agreement between the CRH, Swadi Health, where Mr. Dr. Gaurav is.
I am very happy that the Suswastha Yojana, which is the Employees Health Services Scheme for the Health and Family Welfare Department of the Government of Sikkim, has partnered today with Central Referral Hospital of Sikkim Manipal University, which is the largest. And this collaboration between the hospital and Suswastha Yojana, Employees Health Services Scheme, is very important because it will extend specialty and super specialty care to all the people of the state of Sikkim. And
All the employees.
And their family members. Suswastha Yojana was inaugurated on 29th of April 2021 by the hands of Honorable Chief Minister of the State of Sikkim and the Honorable Health Minister. This scheme covers approximately 1,20,000, 1,30,000 people who are the regular employees of the Government of Sikkim and their dependent family members in a scheme of 1+5, which means one employee can take 5 dependents on himself or herself in a family plan, and they are covered in a healthcare insurance of up to 20 lakhs of rupees, of which 10 lakhs is reserved for a base care or meant for general multi-specialty healthcare, and additional 10 lakhs of critical care cover, which is meant for critical illnesses like ICU, cancer, vehicular accidents, and so on and so forth. Suswastha Yojana is a very transformational healthcare initiative of the Government of Sikkim on a national basis, because first of all it has the largest healthcare insurance cover in the entire country, which is run by either a state or a central government. At 20 lakhs rupees of care, it's the largest insurance scheme in the country run by a government. And to power this, the contributions from the employees are the minimum in the country at 200 rupees per person per month, which is the minimum in the country. There are certain initiatives within the Suswastha Yojana which are happening for the first time in any government initiated insurance scheme. For example, covering of daycare procedures like chemotherapy, dental, ophthalmology, and so on and so forth, covering of critical care, vehicular accidents, focus on women's health, for example, maternity, neonatal and child care, and treatments for infertility, and so on and so forth. I encourage people who are watching this program to visit our website, which is suswasthasikkim.com, and read about the Yojana in detail to understand the benefits and avail the benefits as soon as possible by enrolling themselves and their family members. Thank you.
Thank you, Doctor. That's the holistic, that is his part, that, they are, as a part of the insurer, they'll be taking care of all the, government officers, government employees and the dependents. And we as a partner now, we are going to partner with them as the provider. Okay, so this is a tripartite agreement, and I thank the government of Sikkim and the Swati Health for partnering with the Central Referral Hospital and giving us the opportunity to serve the people of Sikkim, especially who need critical care, especially whoever needs to be treated here. So this will be, hopefully this would be a very fruitful partnership, and the best part about this whole program is that, in this we are only going to provide people, all the employees and the dependents, private rooms and semi-private rooms. So that is a very big advantage the people are going to get in this program. And apart from that, but we have a limited private room capacity. In spite of that, we have worked it out with the Swati Health that in case we are not able to provide the private rooms, then they are willing to also give the benefit to people in the general ward also. So depending on the availability of the private rooms, we will be doing that. So this the other benefit of this program is even covering dental care. So that is a very big advantage which most insurers actually don't provide. Dental care is one thing which they don't provide, and again is the fact that there is a pre-existing diseases are also covered. So this is something which is again, very advantageous to people who, have already some disease, and then, most of the other insurers wouldn't do that. So this is a, vision, or, the thought process of the government of Sikkim to provide, good healthcare and support to the meeting. So I said, let's begin. And then, so just to give you an introduction, I told you about this Suswastha Yojana. This is a government of Sikkim, and I just wanted to tell everybody is that our dean has just recently joined, so we also welcome him to Sikkim, and I hope he has a very fruitful stay in our fit. In this whole scheme is the coverage is of rupees 20 lakhs. So that is a very good coverage, which and newborn baby is also covered. Most of the other schemes do not do that. So most of the time. So this is a partnership. Hopefully, it will benefit the people. It will benefit, it will bring up the best in the Central Referral Hospital. And we need the support of the media house. We need the support of the people to come forward and take benefit of this scheme. And from our end, from the Central Referral Hospital and the Sikkim Manipal University, we will try our best to give the best to the people as far as possible. We will try our best to do that. With these words, I thank you all for coming here, and at such a short notice. Thank you very much.